Howdy howdy and welcome to the channel, DaBosch. Happy Halloween weekend to you. Your mileage may vary. This channel is about motorcycle track days, so if motorcycles or track days are your thing, subscribe for weekly content and consider leaving a like or a comment. It is a massive help to me and it takes you about 2 to 4 seconds, 5 seconds if you've never done it before. Game changer for me. This video is about air fence. But Dean, what's an air fence? And thank God you do not know what an air fence is. It is a giant soft inflatable barrier that goes in front of concrete wall or an Armco barrier inside of the racetrack. And the purpose is to save your life. The human body sliding into a hard impact... This is distracting me, I apologize. The human body sliding into a hard impact object just doesn't go very well. Trust me, I would know. I hit an Armco barrier at over triple digits in a race in Pennsylvania and was hospitalized for a week. Here are the results of some of the things that happened during that accident. I believe that this could have been avoided substantially if I would have hit an air fence instead of an Armco barrier. However, my story would be different today. I slid into the Armco barrier left foot first and suffered a compound fracture to my tib and fib. I also broke my femur that required 5 screws, and I broke my hand that required screws and plates as well. 2 blood transfusions later and some hardware, and I was racing 6 months later. Please enjoy the video of the air fence and take notice if it's being used at the next track day.
That's still ready to go.
Yeah, like...
Oh, definitely better than to hit that concrete there. Woo! So they can't lean like they can stay there. As soon as you get that gift! Right, you were in there. No, like how many?
24.
24. Stuff's already all here, so. There's one on the bottom and one on the top. Okay, all right.
Fold it and then put it through and then pull it like a loop.
That makes sense.
So that it's just quick release.
Once it's all buckled, we push it back, right, Joe? Right.
Hey, I want to do that! Wow! This is happening fast, people!
The next scene just like opens up with like maybe the trailer doors opening and then, you know, maybe like shooting a little bit of like loading up the air fence and I don't know. I was doing it in the bathtub and I was like, it takes a while to do it in the bathtub. But...
Alright, when you hear part of that sentence there.
Phrasing.
Phrasing.
Don't mind me.
Let's run and catch them and ride.
Gotta make it look like I'm doing something, you know?
By the way, great video.
I do one every week.
Nice. That's great. Yeah, you're playing it. I was like, I recognize that guy.
Thank you so much for watching. Please use that throttle or clutch hand to like the video and comment if you have any questions. I'll see you next week. Until then, let's enjoy the ride.